Welcome back everyone. In this video we'll be looking at registering our project ID for the ChainSafe SDK. This is purely analytical. It is there to help the team support you better with your project based on what you're implementing and what you're trying to do. And it's a fairly simple process really. So just continuing from where we left off, we installed the SDK in the previous video, and today we'll be looking at simply going to the dashboard and getting a project ID that we can use to fill in here, along with a few other details. Now it's fairly simple. We can make our way to the dashboard, which is dashboard.gaming.chainsafe.io. Now, quite a lengthy link, but I'll make sure to include that in the description so that it's quite easy for you guys to just go there and register your project. Now, fairly simple. All we really have to do here is enter an email address that we would like to use to register an account with. So in my case, I'll just use my Gmail account, which I hope that is the correct one. We'll just quickly go in here, go to Gmail, and we'll just give it a moment. There's nothing in here at the moment, but hopefully we should see that coming soon. Okay, cool. So the verification code has come in. We can just have a look here, grab this little code over here, and make sure that we verify with the correct code. Now, currently I have no projects with the SDK, so for my template example there, I will create a new project ID and I'll call it ChainSafe SDK tutorial. Great. Now we've created a project. It's right there. We can go ahead and just copy this project ID right here. Back to Unity, we can enter the project ID in the project ID field. We can specify the chain ID that we want to be developing on. I mean, based on chainlist.org, it can be any EVM compatible chain, which is excellent. A lot of variety, but in this case, I suppose I'll be making use of the BNB testnet, so the Binance testnet. I know that is chain ID number 97, and the chain itself is Binance. The network is the testnet, and there are RPCs for this, but I'll leave this blank. It's just an optional field. We can go save settings. When we'll have a look here, we can see that the project ID is valid and that we can now start building using the SDK. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we start branching out on functionally using the SDK.